Wichane. Life is water. Truly, we're here right now to stand with the people in Standing Rock in North Dakota. This is one of the most important movements of our times. And I, as an artist, as a script writer, and as a person that cares deeply for the Mother Earth and the environment, I am here to urge you all to stand with us in this matter. No matter if you cannot be in Standing Rock, but we all have to stand together because this is about all of us. All of us. It doesn't matter where you live on Mother Earth, it is for all of us. We have to take care of Mother Earth. We have to take care of our environment and the water. I am here right now in Muskoka, Canada. And this is how beautiful and pristine the water is. This is worth taking care of. So I urge you, stand with the people in Standing Rock. And thank you, brothers and sisters in Standing Rock. You are awesome. You are the warriors of Mother Earth. And you're here to do your work right now. And if you only knew how important your work is for all of us. So stand with the people in Standing Rock. I am Carita Sandin, and I am here with all my heart and soul for this cause. So it is. Miigwech.